All right. Okay. This event is being recorded. Welcome everyone. This is our Tech Board meeting on the 4th of April, 2024. I'm Kevin, and with me in this event we have Gary and Natalia. So today we're going to talk about introduction to no introduction and welcome. We'll review project updates, also decision and next steps, and any other business. And then finally, we'll close the event. Okay, so I'll share my screen. All right, okay, can you see my screen?
No, not yet.
Okay. How about now?
No. Oh, yeah.
All right, okay. Yes, so these are our agendas for today. Yep. So we will dwell mostly on the focal board and then discuss each project as we move forward. So Gary, you'll take us through that.
To the focal board stuff.
Yes. Yes.
So the first I see not started applet web to build. Actually, it is started right now. It's like in progress, right?
Mm-hmm.
We changed the scope, so we interviewed several people. We kind of liked 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
So we gave offer to Sony and Ashish,
Yeah.
and we didn't talk to CM yet
Mm-hmm.
because he's not available.
Correct.
And with Sony, it's kind of didn't go anywhere. And I kind of paused the contract, and right now I ended the contract because it was no any activity on his side.
Mm-hmm.
And with Ashish, we did pretty good progress. Kevin talked to him yesterday. We 3 of us talked to him today. So
Yeah.
it's kind of we are making good progress there,
Mm-hmm.
and hopefully we changed the scope. So instead of applet web, we decided to concentrate on one website for school kids.
Mm-hmm.
For school kids. Um, and kind of the goal is to get like 25 students entering our program. So we'll see how it goes. Right now we are under 5 hours,
Mm-hmm.
like testing time. He didn't charge me yet, but we will kind of after these 5 hours we'll see how like where to move. We also have like 30 more invitations, and maybe we can use them or maybe not.
Mm-hmm.
Like I have no idea. So applet web is get started. Mattermost, I have no idea. Applet to MVP. We did a great progress with Natalia.
Mm-hmm.
We get rid of one droplet on DigitalOcean. We are working right now on the second, where the mails are. So
Mm-hmm.
like on the one droplet it was applet. We moved them, and another is applet.net as our mail server.
Okay.
We are still working on that.
Mm-hmm.
Natalia gave me kind of tasks, and I forgot to do it. I will
Mm-hmm.
I will do.
Okay.
What else? Project to recognize, status to display. With the GitHub, I have no GitLab. I don't know
Hmm.
whether like anything is done. Basically, it's Natalia's project.
Okay.
Cost to save. It is your project even. I don't know. We you kind of get stuck. You didn't finish it, and you just drop. And we're looking at this every week. I
Hmm.
I don't know what is the goal. CNMCyber.com to MVP also it's kind of your project. And we we didn't move to from social
Hmm.
cnmcyber.com to cnmcyber.com. Whom have should be kind of in the root of cnmcyber.com, since we decided that CNM Cyber CNM Social
Hmm.
versus CNM Hub will
Hmm.
be just CNM Cyber. So we need to move it there.
Yeah, so I can do some an update on this project. So recently, as from our last discussions with the developments that I had made on the welcome space, so we agreed that the text that was here should be moved to the website. So I went ahead and created another space for Kenya X website and posted all that text there. So that when the time comes, this text can be transferred to the website. And now the welcome space will just focus on this platform, like the CNM social, this cnmcyber.com, introducing participants to its features and how to navigate them. So we have like the spaces, streams, dashboard. Yeah, that's how far I've got the project.
Kevin, it is like what you are showing right now. It's pretty impressive in comparison with what we had before. Um, yeah, this is the good development in my view.
Okay.
I don't know what Natalia will say, but in my view, it's cool.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
just yeah, just to make sure. So like right now, what is our new ideas, right?
Yeah.
So like so I feel like that when I offered to you
Hmm.
and to someone else that the students will come in and
Yeah.
start organizing events,
Hmm.
it didn't generate an excitement from your side.
Hmm.
And I guess it will not generate excitement from the student side too. So like kind of my new idea is that people like students will come to this like social
Yeah.
or CNM Cyber,
Hmm.
and there will tell them this is the program, it is what you will do as the questions, and then we will move them to AI kind of creators role. We'll
Correct.
develop a new role.
Yeah.
We'll we will create kind of VMs for them.
Hmm.
I will buy like paid subscriptions like Cloudy or maybe ChatGPT 4
Hmm.
or Midjourney or Leonardo,
Yeah.
and then they will start testing
Hmm.
these tools
Yeah.
and and report and create kind of like maybe YouTube videos,
Hmm.
like I would say YouTube comparable videos,
Yeah.
and then they will move from here, they will move to event organizing
Yeah.
as the next logical step. So we'll say, okay, do you want to kind of invite like a expert or someone on your on your meeting,
Hmm.
like this is the meeting how to organize. So are we ready to kind of to get students there or no with
Not,
this
not,
like with this welcome space?
not yet. Not yet. I need to add some more
What
features of this platform, and also like rephrase the wordings to make them more exciting, like the ones we had, the ones that we have on these other spaces.
because when they start generating like pictures, videos, audios,
Mm-hmm.
they will be kind of, it will be much more excitement than the event.
Yeah.
Event, it looks like it is easy, but at the
Mm-hmm.
same time, it's not easy. And also with the event, you need to wait for the result for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of the idea is to give them something at the very beginning,
Yeah.
like something kind of some excitement from the very beginning.
Mm-hmm.
And with this idea,
Yeah.
I would say this AI generation will be kind of probably the best shot.
Sure.
Um, right?
Yeah. Right. So like uh in before our next meeting, I think I would have been done with the welcome space, and then I'll move to the other
Okay.
the AI creator space.
Yeah, because I offered Ashish. Maybe I said like for you, Kenya X is not exciting, or
Mm-hmm.
you don't know, you've never been to Kenya X.
Mm-hmm.
So I registered just like on the spot Gujarat X, and I say kind of do whatever you feel is good for students.
Mm-hmm.
And when we have this
Yeah.
with his vision, because he has some vision,
Correct.
we will immediately move it to Kenya X2, right?
Yes. Yes.
So it should be cool.
Yeah. Right.
So what else? Um, I want to get back to our active projects. I will report about Proxmox to reimagine, right? Can
Yeah.
you open it? So
Correct. Mm-hmm.
uh, so here I posted. If you click there inside, right? I posted what our last discussion with Andrea Milamina was,
Mm-hmm.
and he gave kind of good ideas.
Mm-hmm.
He created kind of a picture. I I attached the picture. You see the attachment?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see on the screen.
Ah,
It's. Can you see?
Asha, Asha proxy PNG.
HA proxy PNG. Oh, you probably need to download. It's not showing this way.
It's not showing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think.
Anyway, kind of it's a picture.
Mm-hmm.
He created some picture and but I asked him again. I said like, are you available for tomorrow? I want to introduce you to Kevin and Natalia to
Mm-hmm.
refresh with Natalia.
Yeah.
And he disappears and he disappeared again. it
Mm.
is his kind of it is his kind of approach.
Mm-hmm.
He's disappearing. This is the challenge. Yes, this picture.
Okay.
So I don't know what to do. Natalia had a good ideas. Like we wanted to reconnect with Mohammed, who
Mm-hmm.
did our like head center cluster.
Yeah.
Natalia said like she will draft the like email. She didn't. At least I didn't see anything. But we had a discussion with her yesterday, and we decided that will be beneficial for us to create maybe a separate like series of events with Mohammed
Mm-hmm.
instead of like this tech board, like kind of higher level, just specifically for Proxmox.
Okay.
And we want to ask. It is Natalia proposed.
Mm-hmm.
We will ask Mohammed whether he can, let's say, give like 1 hour a week of his time just like to create documentation what we need to do, or we will have a separate like a meetings related to Proxmox. One of the one of the biggest problems, like technical problems to resolve, in my view,
Mm-hmm.
is that right now, like we have a lot of IP IP version 4
Yeah.
on our cluster side, and it is behind firewall. And in a more secure way is to hide our applications behind the firewall.
Mm-hmm.
But instead, right now, we're sending everything to our lab server,
Mm-hmm.
which doesn't have firewall, uh, at least as sophisticated as cluster.
Yeah.
So for now, until we are not hacked, it is kind of working.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, it's not like a financial, it's like makes too much sense because we are paying for this like cluster IPs, like about $25 per month, and we are not using them. And for like one IP, and instead we're using like one IP,
Mm-hmm.
the same IP which is related to our lab farm. So this is the good discussion to have, and we need his expertise. And if Muhammad is not available, we can try to find someone else on Upwork or somewhere else. Um, so this is discussion that we had with Natalia,
Okay.
right, Natalia?
Right. Of course.
So the idea of how to move it, like this Proxmox to reimagine.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, basically, I'm waiting for Natalia, her ideas. She said like she will draft the letter to Mohammed, offering him what he likes,
Okay.
and then we will create kind of a separate series again. It will be like our like let's call it like our Proxmox users.
Yes.
Yeah, Proxmox user group,
Okay.
and we
It would be
probably
cool.
will have kind of it's recurring,
Mm-hmm.
and we will discuss our Proxmoxes, and maybe we will resolve this HR proxy things too.
All right. Okay.
I'm done. I don't. I have nothing to report. Wait a second. Um. Yeah, I have nothing to report else.
Okay.
Only one idea which I wanted to put on the record.
Mm-hmm.
Like the idea is that, let's say, we want to bring. Right now, we're working on the students. We need people. We need users,
Mm-hmm.
because kind of with the users, like all the technology will be shaping faster. So that is why we need like students more than anything else.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, and I see this as a very important,
Yeah.
uh, and I pushed it all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And the last development is that Sandra looks like dropped out,
Okay.
but Dixon is still here.
Correct.
So, like yesterday, we had a discussion with Dixon and Kevin, and
Mm-hmm.
I offered uh, Dixon to work on Kenya X and to Kevin to move to future of work as AI instead,
Yeah.
because Kevin was excited about future of work as AI from the very beginning, way more than about way more than about school project, right? So and Dixon kind of like this idea.
Mm-hmm.
So we will see how it goes,
Yeah.
because we need students, and with the students also, like I had two major proposals or ideas.
Mm-hmm.
First, that the students will start with AI generation. I already expressed this.
Yes.
But second idea, that they will start with their generation, then they will move to events, they will move to websites, they
Mm-hmm.
will move to cloud,
Yeah.
and then they will move to project management, and then those who will do kind of in different domains well,
Mm-hmm.
we can offer them to help them to establish their like businesses, even not like formal businesses. We can help them to set up, let's say, Upwork accounts, all kind of other accounts, right?
Yeah.
And we can give kind of the first order, so we can help them to create their like profile, so they can basically, some of them may be able to start kind of making kind of some like some their own like businesses.
Yeah.
Even with no formalization, even no any kind of complicated registrations, but we can show this, kind of pick someone. I believe like Kevin will be helpful with this, like Upwork or other freelance work.
Yeah.
And in this case, we can use it as an advantage to promote this idea, right? It will
Correct.
make this idea more attractive, in my view.
Correct. Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
I'm done. I'm done. I have nothing else to report.
Okay. Yeah. So I was to mention the switch with which we had with Dixon, and one advantage I've just got to come across today is that I have a LinkedIn account that I created, I think, like 5, 6, 7 years ago, that I've not been using, but at least it's better than starting from scratch, since it has like 43 connections. So this is the one that I've
Yeah, kind of.
used for.
Yeah, this is the good discussion which we had. We said like we need to have our own LinkedIn profiles,
Correct.
and possibly it's good for Natalia too. I don't know. So like the problem is that like if we go to the marketing part, we need to have kind of, we need to market ourselves, all
Yeah.
of us,
Yes.
including Kevin and Natalia and myself, and. But the LinkedIn profile should have like a, let's say, they say at least like here in my area, like maybe at least like 200 connections, professional connections. So, like Kevin, by the way, do you know how to build these links? Because you don't have a lot.
This is I just created this LinkedIn profile a while ago, and I never used it. So I
Yeah,
thought
but kind of,
maybe I'll
but
need some help.
to build connection, this is a skill by itself.
Yeah.
Do you know how to build connections?
No. No. No.
Yeah, or no?
No.
You see,
Yeah.
you need to have a we need to have a training too in this area.
Right.
Maybe to invite someone on like on LinkedIn project.
Yeah. I was wondering if maybe you can have some idea and you can share with me.
I have some idea. We have with CNM, we had like a LinkedIn workshop every week. There was like several dedicated people.
Okay.
Normally before COVID, I don't know about now,
Uh-huh.
but before COVID, it was one of the most successful workshops. Two people led this workshop and they provided with kind of completely different ideas. So
Yeah.
they kind of complemented each other, because one is was more like open to like network, and
Yeah.
another guy worked in the cybersecurity, and he said, no, I'm careful about my connections. I'm careful. I'm not accepting every kind of invite, whatever like is coming to me.
Okay.
And they had several people, like two, three people who were checking kind of personal like LinkedIn profiles for people. So kind of helping them like one-on-one. So, but we need to have this expertise too.
Yeah.
When we go to this marketing,
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind to put like if we have a person on the website development like Ashish, maybe we can find someone who can work on our LinkedIn marketing, because this is our LinkedIn marketing.
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
And we will need to help maybe some students to build their LinkedIn's too.
Yes.
So this is expertise which we need.
That's correct.
So this can be kind of a separate project within our, maybe not tech board, but marketing board or community board, if
Yeah.
we decide to restore it,
Mhm.
or profit board, or profit board.
Probably. Yeah. So, okay. So,
Natalia, it is difficult to move from like social, like to move home hub from social.cnm.com just cnm.com. It's not difficult, right?
Right, I transfer.
You, we're using Nginx or Apache there.
No. In Proxmox, we are using Nginx.
Oh,
And
okay.
Nginx and backend maybe Apache.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I forgot. It is on our like Proxmox cluster. It's sitting on our Proxmox cluster. Okay.
mhm.
Will have kind of any problems with the firewall then or no?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's do it then. Kind of to CNM Cyber, just like move home hub to the CNM Cyber in the root, nothing else.
Okay.
All right. So, unless there's something else, we are ready to adjourn this meeting.
Can you talk a little bit about this recording? Kind of what did I do wrongly less times, and what kind of like I know that you posted the video. Can you just
Mhm.
give me like a 2 minute and 2 minute explanation.
There is this button if you can see my screen. You see, like record my audio and video
I'm sure.
streams. This should be
Yes,
turned off because it will only record
it
the.
was off.
It was off.
It was off. Yeah.
Okay.
When I'm recording, it is
Mhm.
off. Give me 1 second. I will try to record now.
Mm-hmm.
I click start recording. Yeah, it was off all the time.
It was off. Okay. And then after that, you need to click on this button because I saw like the previous recording with Ashish. This it was just on this screen. The Jitsi was recording the screen, so you needed to click this button so that it could display what.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll come back.
Mhm.
Um, um, I don't see. Oh, you're sharing the screen and kind
Yeah.
of. Oh, give me 1 second. Entire screen. Share.
And then you click show me what I'm sharing.
Okay, I will explore.
Okay.
Right now it's Kevin's screen.
Hmm.
Where is my screen? Uh,
Are you sharing your
I'm
screen?
sharing my screen. This is yeah, I'm sharing right now.
I think I see. This is my screen. Yeah, Gary's screen. Yeah, this is your screen. Mm-hmm.
So so I click like start recording.
Correct.
I never checked it, and I
Hmm.
like a start recording, right?
Yeah. Allow.
And then what?
Allow.
Allow.
Hmm. Hmm. It's okay. So initially, it displayed this button, like show me what I'm sharing. I don't know where that came from, but that was the reason why it did not record. It did not record what you were sharing on the screen.
Okay, so you are recording right now, and I will play with this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so no, I have nothing else. I'm happy now.
Okay.
We didn't make any kind of good decisions. So, like, Kevin, can you put like for a task for Natalia to move social, like instead of social CNM, just like to CNM cyber. What else? We decided that Natalia will come up with a plan how to do this like Pragmax user group.
Yeah.
Pragmax user group.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool.
Whom to invite.
Okay.
It's a good maybe to have maybe Mohammed as a permanent, but we can invite like other experts too, right?
Yeah.
What else we discussed? What else we kind of talked? What else we decided?
CNM social, like the welcome space.
Yeah, CNM social. Welcome space. Yes.
Creators,
Okay.
event organizing, and the rest. And also my switch with Dixon
Okay.
to Future of Work is AI and Dixon to Kenya X.
Yeah, it should be. It should be good.
Yeah.
It should be exciting.
Correct.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're done, right?
Yeah.
We're about to adjourn.
Correct.
Unless Natalia has something to.
No.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Natalia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.